Yep. More trash, man. More trash again. So much trash in this van, man. I don't know if this van gonna even crush down all the way. Jeez, this is ridiculous, man. This is really ridiculous right here. I mean, I understand. I understand it's for the weight and everything, but you ain't gotta overboard it. Man, this is crazy. I can't even push the damn thing in. Just ain't gonna work out pressure right, man. This is crazy right here. My doors won't even go all the way in. Crazy here. Man, this out here is crazy right here. Back and forth just to push the trash in, just to push the doors in on these here. Jesus Christ, man. This out here is crazy. Alright, let me see, so now I gotta play musical dominoes with this shit here, man. God damn, man. It done kind of boxed me in, son, so now I got trash all over the place, man. Jesus Christ. don't really care. This is crazy, man. It's gonna be the most ugliest load I ever put together. This is ugly. I mean, this is really ugly. There's so much trash. I'm about to push the crusher back. I done pushed it back already a couple of inches yesterday. Hitting it so hard. My boy done pushed back everything. Done pushed back. I ain't got my big chain to pull it forward right now. Man, there's so much trash up off in there. Man, now it's digging the cars out. Jesus Christ. Oh. Yeah, I know what I'm supposed to do now. I forgot. Yeah, so now I gotta play dominoes with these cars here. Move this and move that one, put that one back, bring this one back here. Jesus, man. I don't like it when I don't have room, man. It's very, sometimes it can be a little stressful, man, when you ain't got the room, man, and you're trying to move around and you're not driving a small loader. You know, I mean, it's not like you're driving a forklift or something. Shit, man. I mean, good God almighty. Come on now. Man, no fucking room at all. No, oh my God. Come on. See, I hate when I have to pick up some of these cars here like this, and as soon as you pick them up, then they want to go sliding off somewhere else. You see what I mean? Oh my God, man. have to do this, man. Of a fucking car, man. Come on. Jesus Christ, why the hell you even bring this over here, man? Should just let that off in your goddamn yard somewhere. For real. Yeah, see, cars like this, man, we have to hold. I can't let this go. I can't let this go because shit, something might even happen, man, if I let that go. And that, matter of fact, it look like this looked like a Honda truck. I think exactly is what this is. I think exactly is what this is, a Honda truck. Exactly what this look like. Man, this is gonna be a ugly ass load, man. This is gonna be ugly. Yeah, so half the time, man, we gotta hit the gas tanks 10,000 times just to make a hole. Cause sometimes, man, these plastics be so thick. You make a small little pinhole, man, you talking about 20, 30 minutes for letting the game dry. So sometimes we have to, you know, play baseball with it sometimes a couple of times. Hit it really hard a couple of times. goddamn stack gonna be heavy as fuck, man. Excuse me. Ridiculous, man. This is really ridiculous right here. Shit, I might have to turn around. I might have to turn this around. Just might have to. I have no choice. Look at that. That stack right there is horrible, man. But pretty even right there. Well, man, I'm gonna holler at y'all in a little while, man. I'll be back. Time for me to go get my grub on.